Now, Freud supposedly once said, sometimes a cigar is just a cigar. Well, a lot of cigar lovers would say that Freud never smoked a Cuban. And now there's talk that the nearly half-century ban on those hand-rolled smokes from Cuba will come to an end. And that is because President Obama is moving to lift trade restrictions on Cuba. Congressman Charles Rangel predicts that all restrictions will be lifted by the end of 2010. Cigar lovers in the U.S. are hoping that once again they will be able to legally enjoy Cohibas and Monte Cristos. President Kennedy imposed a trade embargo on Cuba back in 1962. Of course, the story goes the day before he signed the order, he supposedly sent his press secretary to buy 1,000 Cuban-made cigars.